So good morning or good evening or good afternoon to everyone. I'm Alfio Albasini from Switzerland. I graduated in 1991 in Switzerland, so a long time ago, nearly 30 years. And in 1995, I had the chance to go to Australia to improve my manual skills. And that's what I did, what they call today a master's degree in manual therapy. And being in Australia for 1 year gave me the chance to start to teach with some other Australian around the world. And this is what I normally do besides my clinic. In my clinic here in Switzerland, my clinic is here since 25 years. We are dealing with different muscular skeletal components. So we are dealing with maybe an athlete from a really very good level. I had a chance 2 years ago to test and treat with EMG the guy who just won a Doha tournament in tennis. You probably know the name because he was the one who beat Roger Federer. But besides treating athletes at really high level, we are treating also the normal person who is going to work every day. So it's quite interesting to have different type of people with musculoskeletal condition where we can test them and then obviously make a program of what we want to do with the treatment. Obviously, using EMG, we can assess, explain to the patient what's the problem, what is the weakness we have to work. We treat them, and then maybe after a couple of weeks, we reassess again, and we have a result. And this obviously gives the chance to patient to push himself to increase what he does in order to get better.